Guys, what's going on? Josh here. Wanted to jump on here for a second and let everyone know about the update since yesterday on the adjustable boost elbow that I installed here. Let me turn it around. This is what I installed on my setup. I got it done. And guys, I can tell a little difference. I'm running about 30 to 35 pounds of boost when I was running only about 15 to 20. So it's got a little more pickup. And also, I'm thinking, I don't know, this sinister intake horn seems to help out on the throttle response. But I am going with a set of Cutter Up Rob's 50-pound injectors that he's doing. So I'm gonna get them ordered. I've been talking to him and we think that'll be a good setup for this tow truck. But everything else seems to be doing good. The Exotic Performance head studs, you know, they're great. If that's something you guys want to look at, I will be giving a set away as this channel grows. So like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell. Let me know what y'all want to see. My next video I'm going to be installing some governor springs. Since this is my tow truck, I don't know if I'm gonna go 4K, which I could because I did have the valves. When I had done the head, I had the 60-pound springs installed, so I could, but I'm probably gonna stay with the 3Ks, I guess, because I don't see me needing a 4. Which, guys, just let me know what y'all think. Should I go with the 4 and so I have them if I ever need them, or would you just go with the 3s and just keep it there, since, you know, I do pull my travel trailer and I do pull a 30-foot gooseneck. So let me know what y'all think. And I'm gonna do the video on the governor springs, and then the next one after that, I have the fleece coolant bypass for this truck. I haven't found another video that has the manual transmission in the 2nd gen of someone installing it. So I want to give that a shot and try to get that installed. So you guys, I have a video if you want to look into the fleece, or I know other people probably make them too, but the fleece is really a good product and it looks well built. But it's supposed to help number 5 and 6 run cooler. So I feel I need that since I tow, and watching some of Rob's videos and him explain it, I think that's a good thing for me to get. But yeah, let me know what y'all want to see. I will upload that video of the governor spring install and the fleece coolant bypass to this. If you guys want one of the CDP stickers, let me know. I'll get it sent out. And like I said, like, share, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, because I do want to give one of you lucky people those head studs. The Exotic Performance. I don't care if you're doing a Dodge, Chevy, GM, whatever you choose is which ones you're going to get. So guys, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank you.